Okay, we're back with part 2 on multiplying whole numbers and fractions. So question number 5, I'm asking you to do it and come back and give me an answer. All right, so the Valley High School printed 435 tickets for the school play in spring. Important information. 2/3 of the tickets were sold out by January. 2/3. How many tickets remain? So important information, 435 tickets, 2/3 were sold. The question says how many were remain. Now, note the question does not say how many were sold, how many remain. So let's see how we did it. I'm going to take 1/3 of the tickets remain. Why? Because they sold 2/3. That means that 1/3 remain. So we're looking for 1/3 of 435. Simplify by 3. How do I know I could divide 435 by 3? Well, I use my divisibility rule. The sum of the digits 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 12. If I can divide 12 by 3, I can divide 372 by, it should be 435. I can divide 435 by 3, and I get 145. So that means 145 tickets remain. Okay. Number 6. Lillian, a teenager, earned $585 in a month by babysitting for her friends and family. She spends 3/4 of the money earned from babysitting on clothes. How much money is Lillian left with? Okay, important information. She earned $585. She spent 3/5. And the question says, how much is she left with? So again, we can do it two ways. We can find 3/5 and then subtract it from 585 to show how much she had left, or we could just find 2/5. So she has 2/5 left, because if she had 3/5 spent, that means that she has 2/5 left. 2/5 of 585. We can divide 585 by 5. We get 117. 234. She has 234 left over. Okay. All right. I think this is the last problem. We're close to it. 1 week before the Student Council STUCO election, some students took a poll. The chart below shows the results of the poll. Based on the poll, if there are 750 students voting, how many more votes did Abigail have than Jeffrey? So go ahead and take your time and answer that question for me. Okay, we got to do two things. I have to figure out how much, one way to do it is figure out how many votes Abigail received and how many votes Jeffrey received, and take the difference. That's one way. So there are 750 students voted. This is what fraction of the students who voted for them, the two candidates. So we can find Abigail. She had 12/25 of 750. Jeffrey had 23/50 of 750. So Abigail and Jeffrey. So Abigail received 360 votes, where Jeffrey received 345 votes. So the question said, how many more voted for Abigail? Well, she received 15 more. 360 minus the 345 that he received gave us 15. Okay, that's it. And we're at about 5 minutes. So I believe we only have a couple more units left, a couple more courses left in this unit, multiplying fractions. Talk to you soon.